Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to create buttons or links so when end user hovers over it with the mouse, some function will be immediately activated, some source code. And that is very security important to realize because there are a lot of people out there and they're creating all kinds of websites, so when you visit them, something will start rolling in the background. They will send you to download locations with Trojan horses, worms, and so on. So this is very important thing to understand. Anyway, so I don't want to confuse myself and you with this source code from last tutorial, and let's start with a blank sheet of paper. Right, so form, we'll use form and two buttons, and this will be quick. So input type button, and the value in this first case will be on the mouse over. Okay, so this is just your custom stuff, you know, but also you must use on mouse over down there as a function that will be activated. So maybe it's a smarter idea to use something else here, like, I don't know, I'm not creative in this moment, like custom on mouse over. Custom title, I don't know, who cares. So down there we need to have this thing, not on click, but on mouse over. On mouse over, see, immediately we have a red color. Okay, so that's part of JavaScript, and we will, I don't know, alert something like the same thing on mouse over. But I must use single quotes because I don't want to confuse myself in the browser. And we also must close our command here. And let's use this button as a source for another button. And this one will be on mouse out. And we will talk about differences. So down there we also need to change to on mouse out. And also here on mouse out. And let me see what's up. Okay, but let's have a couple of BRs here. BR, and yeah, once more. I think that's enough. Oops, it already reacts. So there you go. So here's the thing. I mean, let's have a little bit more space. I feel that I need to do this. Right, so now we are fine. Here's the thing. Now it is not important from which side you're approaching this first button. The moment when you reach to it, when you hover over it, this function here, this operation will be activated. So this the side of approach is not important. The thing will be automatically activated no matter from where you are enrolling in that button. So as I said, really security important stuff to understand. Right, so that's for first option. Another option is, see this, when you are approaching this thing, nothing will happen. But please note that I am in a airspace of this button. I am not out of that space. Okay, but the moment when I will get out, see, the thing is activated. So there is a difference. Here at the first button, the side of approach is not important. It will be activated everywhere. But down there, only when I wanna get out of airspace of that button, the thing will fire at me. Okay, so that's the major difference. So now you can you know, play around a little bit with custom, I don't know, operations here like functions and so on, but I think that you basically get the point. Just remember that when you're dealing with event handling, you will always mess around with these things here on mouse over, on mouse that, or on mouse this, and so on, on click and so on. Right. So anyway, very simple stuff to understand. Just be very security cautious from now on if this is your first time realizing that bad guys can get all kind of, they can do all kind of nasty stuff with their websites to you. Right, so this is very important thing to understand. Anyway, Thank you for watching, and in next tutorial we're gonna talk about something interesting. I don't know what's that, but I promise it will be interesting and very useful, probably. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. Thank you for watching. See you there.